Here we have the Vantamo ID Stamp. This essentially, anything that you get through the post, you can draw over with this. It's a little stamp and it will protect all your information. However, when I've tried it, it doesn't work on shiny surfaces. So like if they put sellotape over the envelope, over your address, it will not work, it will just rub straight off. On normal paper though, such as bank details, this is fantastic. So in the box, you get your quick start guide, so your easy instructions. You get 3 refills. And you also get thanks for choosing us from Vantamo directly. Download your free ebook and additional gift. No idea what the additional gift is, so I haven't done it. And then this is the actual stamp itself. So with this one, you take off the lid, and then this reveals the roller. So if, for example, you have your bank details, very careless, I've left them lying around. So all you have to do is grab this and literally draw over it. You cannot now see what I have written there, so it's impossible to get that information back. Whereas if you burn it, sometimes there's bits of information left. This is literally, you can't. You can have a go at rubbing it off, it doesn't come off. It's impossible now to get the information that was on there back. For that reason, I do love this, because identity theft is an up-and-coming thing in the UK as around the world, and with this will stop you from getting your identity stolen. However, it would be fantastic if it did work on everything, including like sellotape, that sort of thing, because most of the envelopes that I get from China, for example, have the sellotape on them. It just means I still have to peel it off, still use special scissors to cut it up into little bits so that they do not get my address. However, as an item for your bank statements, that sort of thing, because it just comes through on normal paper, do it on this and then you can always shred it. Double whammy in terms of security. That's what I do with every single item I get now. So an absolutely fantastic item, and I can't wait to see more.